Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm eating an addictive combo right in my kitchen. I've prepared a cool iced green tea latte. Ta-da! Spicy cheese tteokbokki and Gold King fried chicken. Do you guys think this is the perfect combo? Look at this cheese layer. It's so thick and looks so creamy. The sauce underneath is super spicy. And here is the Gold King chicken. This crust looks so crunchy, coated in a glossy garlic sauce. Eating chicken and tteokbokki requires hands. Gloves are on. Ready? I'm trying the chicken first. A big, beautiful drumstick. It's still so hot.
Wow, did you hear that? So crunchy. The sweet and savory garlic sauce is perfect.
Okay, now for the tteokbokki. Let's get this cheese pool. Wow, look at it.
Mmm.
Woo. That's very fast spice. I need my green tea latte. The creamy latte helps cut the spice. Okay, now for the combo. The ultimate combo. Gold King chicken in the tteokbokki sauce. Oh my.
This is why I'm in the kitchen. It's so messy. The last piece of chicken. Gotta get all this last bit of cheese sauce.
Wow, I'm so full. The chicken is gone. Just a few last rice cakes.
The last bite. Perfect.
I finished it all. What a combo. What should I eat next? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Bye-bye. See you next time.